Hi! In today's video I'm showing and reviewing another diamond painting kit. This is the most beautiful and best quality kit I've worked on so far. It's a cute colorful owl made with full peridot diamonds. Let's start from the beginning. I ordered the kit from AliExpress. It's 40 by 40 centimeters, full square drill with 40 colors. It came with a white tray, plastic pen, bags, tweezers, some extra bags and a rubber pen grip. The canvas was a bit raw and stiff and it used double-sided tape. The symbols were very clear and easy to read. I'd like to mention that in general, kits with double-sided tape need to be handled carefully. You should remove the protective cover slowly and gently because if you pull it off too quickly, the glue can come off too, and that can ruin the painting. And here are the 40 colors again, each one more beautiful than the last. I didn't need much time to set up. I added a few square diamond covers and started labeling the bags. Honestly, preparing the kit is one of my favorite parts. It feels like a little ritual. Now about the diamonds. They are called fairy dust diamonds because they look like they have real fairy dust inside. They shine beautifully and have a special texture. The diamonds were cut very well. I found almost no broken ones. Because of that, placing straight lines was very easy and fun. I loved every minute of working on this kit. The colors were beautiful, the pattern was perfectly printed, and the diamonds were high quality. I finished it quickly. I know many people think it's hard to find good diamond painting kits on Temu or AliExpress, but this time I was lucky and I am really happy about it. I truly recommend this kit. You can find the link in the description. Okay, I will just take a few more seconds to show you the finished work. I just want to say that there were more than enough diamonds. I didn't run out of any color. In fact, I had plenty of extra diamonds left. I made something interesting with the leftover diamonds. I will show it soon as I finish it. And look at this little beauty. I think it's gorgeous. Soon I will add a protective glue layer and frame it. Then it will get a nice spot on the wall. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like, and if you want more diamond painting content, feel free to subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.